today's video, I'll convey my opinion regarding the topic that I'll discuss this time is smoking in campus area.
My opinion about smoking in campus area. In my opinion, smoking on campus is prohibited and strict regulation need to be established. Smoking can damage the campus environment and harm others. Smoking can harm the health of students, not just smokers. Secondhand, smoke is especially dangerous when inhaled by passive smokers on non-smokers. Passive smokers are at high risk of developing serious illness such as respiratory disease, e.g. bronchitis and pneumonia, heart disease, e.g. hypertension, nervous system disease and cancer, e.g. lung cancer. They can inhale toxic substances like nicotine, carbon monoxide, and tar without realizing it. Furthermore, cigarettes butts can pollute and degrade the clean lines of the campus. Smoking can also lead to addiction, which can lead to death if continued over a long period. Furthermore, universities can also regulate smoking on campus by not prohibiting it but providing concession in the form of designated smoking areas. Smoking is very difficult to quit unless you voluntarily choose to. Part 2. Simple Present Tense. Lecture Mrs. Fitri Aprianti, MPD. Next, what is simple present tense? Present in the simple present tense means now, simple means simple, and tense refers to the verb form used in the time period. Simple present tense is used to describe action or situation that are regular, habitual, or generally true. We can use it for 1. General truth or facts, 2. Habits, 3. Instruction, 4. Fixed schedule. General truth. General truth refers to general truth or absolute truth. This means things whose truth is certain and generally known. For example, 1. Weather freezes at 0 degrees Celsius. 2. The sun rises in the east. Habits. A habit is something done continuously and consistently. For example, 1. My father goes to work every weekdays. 2. He always watches television in the evening. Instruction. There are instructions which mean commands or instruction. Example include the instruction board we often see on the street. Like this, do not enter this area. Put the glass on the table. Next, fixed schedule. Fixed schedule are things that already scheduled or guaranteed to happen but not repeat. For example, 1. The new semester starts next Monday. 2. The museum closes at 5 p.m. The table of subject. Subject I, you, they, we. Plural subject he, she, it. Singular subjects. To be, am, are, is. Verb do, does. Characteristic simple present tense. 1. Adverb of time. Di sini ada always, usually, often, every day, and every week. 2. Verb 1 plus s or es. S for discuss, ch for watch, sh for wash, o for go, x for fix. 3 is or mr. Mr is, am I, you, they, we are, she, he, it is. Okay. Example for adverb of time. 1. She always arrives on time. 2. I usually cook with my mother. 3. They often watch football. 4. Donnie eats noodles every day. 5. Tiara piano lessons every week. Example for verb 1 plus S or ES. 1. Store sells various watches. 2. He goes to the gym on weekends. 2. Why do you discuss Chinese film? 4. Rania washes clothes every day. How is the simple present tense pattern? 1. Verba. 2. Nomina. Kita di sini bahas verbal sentence dulu ya. Untuk verbal sentence in the simple present tense, use the main verb 1 to indicate the action or activity carried out by the subject. Unlike nominal sentence that use the verb to be, verbal sentence focus on action verb that describe daily activities or habits. For the subject, he, she, and it add S or ES to the verb in the positive sentence if the verb ends with a consonant Y after the consonant or the consonant before the Y. Change the Y to I before adding ES. Simple present tense pattern formula for verb sentence. Positive. Subject plus verb 1 plus S or ES plus complement. For example, 1. Dito plays badminton every Monday. 2. Vio goes to school in the morning. 3. They knows where to go. Negative. Subject plus do or does not plus verb 1 plus complement. For example, 1. Dito does not play badminton every Monday. 2. Vio does not go to school in the morning. 3. They do not know where to go. Next, simple present tense for interrogative. 2 or does plus subject plus verb 1 plus complement. For example, does Dito play badminton every Monday? Vio goes to school in the morning. Do they know where to go? Interrogative with WH question. Untuk rumusnya di sini WH question plus do or does plus subject plus verb 1 plus complement. For example, when does he go to office? 2. Why do you love badminton so much? 3. Where does he play? Next, nomina. Nominal sentence. A nominal sentence is a sentence that uses the verb to be, am, is, are as the main verb. The verb to be function as a connector between the subject and the complement, which can be an adjective, noun, or adverb. Nominal sentences do not contain an action verb. They simply indicate the state or identity of the subject. Untuk simple present tense pattern formula for nonsense tense. Positive subject plus to be, is, or am, are plus complement. For example, she is a doctor. 2. I am smart. 3. We are a group of students. Negative subject plus to be, is, or am, or are plus not plus complement. Example, my uncle is not a sailor. 2. They are not there yet. 3. I am not lazy. Next, interrogative. To be, is, or am, or are plus subject plus complement. For example, are you a teacher? Is the food delicious? Am I right? Next, interrogative with WH question. WH question plus to be plus subject. For example, who is that boy? Where am I? 3. Why are you late? Exercise. Nathan and Nisa to buy a big house. 2. Paul to play video games.